Hello, welcome to the Apex Classes EduTech channel. Today, I welcome here again for the a small video lecture on reduction of your some topics due to corona pandemic round the corner. Though most of the lessons have been taught on the YouTube or so we can say in app, but some of the lessons of especially about English literature have been uh, uh, completely deleted. They are nor displaced with any about new matter, or we can say with any other sections adding in the learning or writing or grammar, or we can say any other topic. So, you should keep in mind that we are here especially talking about English literature. We are talking here about only about English literature, though it is not concerned with any student of English compulsory, though English compulsory also is reduced some portion of the syllabus. So, let us proceed further to know what has been deleted and what much of portion is given more importance in the umbrella of this. As you can see on your screen, that first we will talk about the section which has been completely deleted by the board for the sake of completion of the remaining units in within given time, or we can say up to the March session in which exam will take place, especially related to the board. So, let us come to the first point. So, just we are now talking here about book prudence. Okay, you might be having in mind that book prudence is generally called English literature first. It is called English literature first, and there is a certain other book that is called Inside the Haveli. Rama Mehta has written a famous novel especially based in Rajasthan. So, in this book you can see that two stories, actually there are four stories, and story number second and story number third means 1 centimeter and wedding in Bronzeville has been completely deleted. So, you do not have to need to read this portion of the or we can say portion of the short stories. Let us come to the poetry section. Poetry number 3rd, poetry number 5th and poetry number 10th has been completely deleted, and you as can see on your screen that first is on Shakespeare, second is human abstract, and third is transformation. These three poetry section and one sorry we can say two from your we can say short stories have been deleted completely. Now, we can see that from non-fiction actually it includes essays. It includes essays, and one famous essay of William Hazlitt name on the ignorance of the learned, though essay is very interesting, but though it has been deleted by the board authorities. So, there is no concern of reading it further. So, here comes drama, you know meaning of drama. I am concerned about play. Actually, there are two drama in your book, but the second, How He Lied to Her Husband, has been deleted from your syllabus. Okay, let us come to then what has been changed in the sense of attending of the paper, or what type of marks will be included from the school authorities and later with the board. You can see that paper will include one. It will include English literature. It will include English literature first and second. So, first means Prudence book, the Prudence book that we are talking about, and second one is a novel. Second one is a novel that is named as Rama Mehta's Inside the Haveli. So, as you can see on your screen, paper will remain same. The pattern hasn't changed, only weightage or the section has been reduced. This will include again 3 hour and 15 minutes. 15 minutes are given for the sake of reading the paper and 3 for solving that. You have to attend a total lump sum amount of weightage of we can say 80 marks in your board, and 20 marks will be given from school for the sake of first, second test and half yearly concluding, though it might also be get changed. Finally, you will be evaluated in the sense of 100 marks, means when you will get a mark sheet, it will conclusion of 100 marks for your English literature. So, you can see on your board that it is revised syllabus. We have completed the portion of what has been deleted by the board authorities. So, this comes revised syllabus. So, in the revised syllabus, things will remain same. Things will remain same means markings will be 80. So, remaining lessons will give be given more importance. Why? Because marks are same and matter is less, so every lesson automatically becomes more important, worth reading, we can say. Okay. First we come to the reading portion, and reading portion is given 15 marks. Keep in mind that we are talking about English literature. We aren't here talking about English compulsory, which is for, it is an optional subject especially for arts. And in reading section, you know well that it will include a unseen passage. It will include unseen passage, and this unseen passage will include prose and poetry both. This will include prose and poetry. So it will include 15 marks. Then comes to writing. Writing will include article, speech, and an argumentative essay. So these will include 15 marks out of 80. Then we come to grammar. Though in 12th English compulsory there is no grammar, but in English literature there is grammar, because whole our concentration is about literature, or we can say mastery of the English subject, or we can say language. So here you can see that there are 10 marks. 10 marks will include a narrative portion, we can say direct or indirect, and other remaining 5 will be given as the it can be given model, it might be a dialogue form. Actually last year in 2019 a lesson from class 9th was given, a small section of portion was given from the adventures of Toto, and some things were given in the sense of making it correct or not. So this will include 10 marks. So then we come to literary terms. Literary terms will be given importance of 6 marks. Actually 4 options are given and 2 should be attended from your side. Each will take a weightage of 3 marks. So this here comes again prudence. Prudence will be concluded in the form of 24 marks. Means prudence will have more importance than your novel. Means inside the Haveli. This is a novel and this is core book, or we can say this is given for detailed study and this is for superficial study. And 10 marks will be given for this fiction and 24 marks for your novel, we can say inside the Haveli. Okay, let's conclude what has been written in description. So first we will come to reading section, and you can see on your screen that it will include 15 marks. So let's see what will be included in this. Okay, an unseen passage and poem. An unseen passage and poem. In English literature, in English compulsory, generally a passage is given. Actually 8 or 9 marks are given for the sake of 8 questions. Same happens here. In this, a literary or discursive. What do you mean by literary? Literary means coming from literature, and discursive. Discursive means having talk beside. So this passage will be fully unseen, and this will take 400 or 500 words followed by short questions, and these are generally 8 by 1 is equal to 8. And second is a poem. The poem is not taken from Prudence book or your other. Actually this poem will be given completely unknown for class 12th student. Means this poem also will be unseen. It is about of 15 lines. And also there will be 7 questions. So what these questions will be related to? These questions will be given to test your interpretation. Means how you understand that particular poem, or we can say that 15 lines. And literary means coming from literary appreciation. Means how you can better understand given 15 lines, or we can say poetry. So prose and poetry, in Hindi we can say both Gadya and Padya will be evaluated in this section. So then comes writing. Again writing will include 15 marks. In this you have to write an essay on argumentative, on discursive, on the reflective and descriptive topic. So what this means? Argumentative means you might be given a positive or negativity of any particular subject, whether it is terrorism, whether it is female feticide, or whether it is we can say poverty, penury, or anything. So this also can be discursive. It means talk about something. This can be reflective, means what happens in your mind when you are given a certain topic to discuss or think about. And this can also be a description of any thing, whether it is village, whether it is post office, or a bank visit. Okay, you have to write 150 to 200 words. So, this is instruction for teacher. It says that students should be taught all kinds of essays, because any one essays can be asked in your question paper. So, it comes a second part. So, how much marks we have included? We have included 8 and remaining 7 will be included in this. So, in this you have to write a composition, means in this you have to write something from your own imagination. So, it can be an article, again it is an essay, it might be a report, or it might be a formal speech. Again you have to write up to 150 to 200 words. So, again it says that students should be taught all the things related to this topic, because anything can be asked from paper setter. Okay, now come to the grammar portion. This will include 10 marks. 2 question will be given. Okay, first question will be given as editing and error correction. You know meaning of error correction? Something is written in your question paper and you have to find out which portion is wrong and how you can make it correct. And in second, you have also made to correct some sentences. You might be given some wrong words, you might be given some wrong sentences. You have to detect the error and finally give them in correct form. There comes the changing of the narration. Narration, you know meaning of narration? We are talking about direct and indirect in a given input. These will include 5 marks, means 5 lines or 5 indirect, or I can say direct question will be given. And now we come to literary terms. These will include 4 things, or we can say 4 terms, and you have to attend 2 terms. This is metaphysical poetry related to the John Donne. This is impressionism. What is mean by impressionism? When you read something and what happens in your mind and what comes in your mind about that particular section of thing is generally called impressionism. This is stream of consciousness. I would like to say that stream of consciousness mean when you think about your past, that is generally called a stream of consciousness. This is interior monologue. When the character of any novel or story talk with themselves in their mind, that is called interior monologue, means talking. And this is what Anglo-Indian literature, and this is Anglo-Anglican literature. So, what do you mean by Anglo-Indian and Indo-Anglican? Actually, here is written, suppose a person is British and he writes about India. If the person is British and he writes about India in English language, that type of literature or books are generally called Anglo-Indian. And suppose a person is Indian, and when he writes in English, especially talking about India's method, event, incident, or we can say themes, this is generally called Indo-Anglican literature. The 2 out of 4 terms are to be attempted. Attempted means tried, or can be, we can say, as answered. So, each that will include 3 marks, means 2 portion will be given to weightage of 3 and it becomes automatically 6. Okay, let us come to the textbook for detailed study. We are talking about prudence. So, prudence automatically become more important. So, first 2 out of 3. You have to keep in mind that 3 questions will be put in the question paper and you have to attend 2 textual. What do you mean by textual? From lesson, or we can say from book. So, out of 3 you have to attend 2 questions to be answered in 100 words. So, what is the word limit? Word limit will be 100 and importance will be given for 6 marks, and each testing global comprehension. Comprehension means understanding. So, when you have to attend a question, a single question will be given importance of 6 marks, and finally you have to do it in 2 parts. Okay, 4 out of 5. What do you mean by 4 out of 5? Generally 5 questions will be given and you have to attend 4. This will be textual, means related from books. These be answered about 50 words. These will be given in 50 words, and each testing comprehension. This might be about any character of that person. It might be about interpretation, means how you had interpreted or how you have understood that particular section of that book. Now we come to fiction. What do you mean by fiction? Fiction means Inside the Haveli. It is a famous novel, especially centered on Rajasthan, especially in Udaipur. It is written by Rama Mehta, a very important and good novel. Okay, in this 1 out of the 2 textual question, means there will be 2 questions and you have to attempt 1, and these will be answered in 60 words each, and each seeking means demanding, and each question will demand comment, each will demand interpretation of certain things. Okay, then comes 1 textual question. Second, this have importance of 10 marks, then this will have 4 and this will have 6. So, again the nature of the question can be considered same. So, next question you have to attempt in 100 words, and what they are given to evaluate? They are given to evaluate and evaluate and appreciation of characters from the lesson, or we can say novel event. Something happens in the novel and how it give a watershed to these things. There might be any episode, or there might be interpersonal relationship, means a relationship of character among themselves. These can be included, or we can say asked. So thank you for being with me. I hope this is a good thing that most of the syllabus has been reduced by the board. Though everything is important in itself, but the remaining portion automatically becomes more important. Why? Because it will gain more weightage, because marks are same and content has been reduced. So thanks one again for being with me. Thanks.
सब्सक्राइब करें हमारा अपेक्स क्लासेस एडुटेक यूट्यूब चैनल, साथ ही बेल आइकन को क्लिक करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें, ताकि आगे आने वाले सभी यूट्यूब वीडियोस की अपडेटेड नोटिफिकेशंस सबसे पहले आपको मिले। अपेक्स क्लासेस एडुटेक, सब्सक्राइब नाउ।